was a train to go to Slough at 7:10, but I couldn't get a ticket before time. Just 1 minute late. I was using automatic machines. Now I have taken return ticket for £19. So that platform 10 train is available at 7:38. So now I am boarding this train. The train is starting now from London Paddington to Slough. It is going to Didcot Parkway. This is the train. I got on this train here in Slough. So I have next train to Windsor and Eton Central at 8:10. So I have 8 minutes time. I have to check the platform and stand in the same platform. So this train is going to Didcot Parkway. Slough is the first stop from after Paddington. Didcot Parkway, you can see the stops and everything. So this train is coming at 8:10. Only 2 coaches. It is only going to Windsor and Eton. So it is just 6 minutes. So it's only, I think this is exclusive train to Windsor and Eton from this station Slough. So because there is no direct connection to Slough, so they have a connection using this train. So it is coming now. It departs at 8:10. So next train is 8:30, then 8:50. So every 20 minutes. So I'll just go there, Windsor Castle, visit for some time and come back. The train inside, see, it's beautiful. The same GWR train has started from Slough. It's only one stop. I got down from this train. It's only just 6-7 minutes from Slough. This is the shop. So Windsor. This is the train station. So I have to go back to Slough. Maybe every 20 minutes I have train, so no problem. So now I am going to Windsor Castle. See, all shops, hotels, coffee shops, restaurants. So now I have to check how to go to Windsor Castle. I heard that it is not far from the station, just opposite to the station, but I need a proper exit to go. I can't just go like that. It is all restaurants. So very good restaurants. So I think there are so many visitors to this town, little town Windsor, because of Windsor Castle. Queen Elizabeth used to live here with her husband. So now King lives here. So I never came here. I visited Buckingham Palace in the year 2007, but didn't come to this place, Windsor. So today I have 4 hours time between my trains. So that's why I have decided to come here. This is Windsor Castle. So that is the route I have to take to go to. This is the entrance for Windsor Castle. So beautiful castle. So it looks like it is closed now for visitors. So, but at least I can see Windsor Castle opened built in the year 11th century. So it has like 40 monarchs used to live here. Kings or queens. Even Queen Elizabeth is now present king live here. I have spent around 10-15 minutes just admiring Windsor Castle because it is 925 years old castle. So now I am going back to station. So train is at 8:40. I have 5 minutes time. So it's only one platform, one train and one stop. So the train whole day comes from Slough and goes to Slough. So it's only 5-6 minutes from here. So passengers are already waiting for the train. So So I just, these are tickets. I already got ticket, so I can directly go to platform. So train is ready. So people are coming, people are going. So I am going to slow. So train leaves in next 4 minutes. See the people. So they are all coming, going to Windsor and Eton. So we are going back to Slough. I am going back to Slough to catch a train to Paddington. So from Paddington I have to go to King's Cross to catch a train to Bradford Interchange, BDI. The train, so it will depart in 2 minutes. This is 8:40 train going to Slough. Now taking Elizabeth train going to London Paddington. So it is 8:45 actually, but expected 8:53. Another 3 minutes. It stops at West Drayton, Ealing Broadway, Paddington, Bond Street, Tottenham Court Road, Farringdon, Liverpool Street. So I will just check if I can go till Farringdon, so that I can easily transfer to King's Cross. This is the Elizabeth line, new line. It opened in 2022. So I am taking this train to go to Paddington, if possible Farringdon or Liverpool Street. Got down from this train, Elizabeth line. This is Paddington station. So now I have to take a tube to go to King's Cross St Pancras. So where I have to catch a train to Bradford. So at 11 o'clock. So now it is 9:25. I have to take underground, National Rail. I have to take underground to go to King's Cross. So underground this way. So for Hammersmith and City Line and Circle Line via King's Cross, so they have marked line like this, so with images. So just we need to follow this line, so then it will take us to that underground stop. So this is actually in Japan, we see this in every station. So for Shinkansen, bullet trains, for all other trains, metro trains. So here also they are adapting the same system. So I will follow this line till beautiful Paddington station and Heathrow Express going directly to Heathrow. I am going towards tube station. So which take me to King's Cross St Pancras. So where I have to catch a train to Bradford. So it is 3 hours. My train is at 10:57 a.m. So I'm just going there. You can see Circle Line via King's Cross, Hammersmith and City Line. So both in this direction. So Circle Line is a loop line, like Yamanote Line in Tokyo. So it is going via King's Cross. So it will go either two directions. So I have to take that direction. King's Cross. It is Hammersmith and City Line also go this way. Hammersmith and City and Circle Line via King's Cross. So this is Paddington station. You can see the maps. Baker Line left side, District Line left side via Victoria, Hammersmith and City Line and Circle Line via King's Cross. So I am at Paddington. So I have to go to King's Cross. Only 4 stops. I have to use my display boards everywhere. There is no confusion. Excellent display boards, again information board. So I have to take this eastbound platform 16. So because I have to go to King's Cross and Pancras. I am at Paddington. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th stop. This is Circle Line going to King's Cross. This is the first time I am taking Circle Line in this trip. So you can see it is going via King's Cross and Pancras. It always loops. So it never stops. It always goes in a circle. So just we have to see via and then we have to board the train. So it is via King's Cross Circle Line going towards King's Cross and Pancras. The school. This is first and oldest tube station in the world. This is the first tube station in the world, entire world. This is Baker Street.
Change for the Northern, Piccadilly and Victoria Line, National and International Rail Services.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
I got down from Circle Line. First time I'm taking Circle Line in this trip. So now I have to go to National Rail. So that is King's Cross. So from where I get a train to Bradford. So I have to go this way, King's Cross and St. Pancras International Sea and also British Library. So I have to go out. So for the trains, National Rail. I'll take this way. And I have to use the gate.